Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'll show you exactly how to get a private VIP server for Steal A Brainrot on Roblox so you and your friends can play in your own private instance. I'll walk you through it step by step and give a few useful tips so nothing trips you up. First, open Roblox and sign in. Search for Steal A Brainrot and open the game's main page. Under the game's title, you'll see tabs like Play, About, and Servers. Click on Servers to open the server panel. If the developer offers private servers for that game, you'll see a button that says Create Private Server or Create VIP Server. Click that button. Roblox will ask you to name the server and show the Robux price to create it. Type a name you'll recognize, check the price, and confirm the purchase. You must have enough Robux in your account to complete the payment. After you pay, Roblox creates the private server and shows it in your private servers list on that game page. And usually you'll get a direct link to join. You also get a configure or manage option for that server. Open manage or configure so you can set who's allowed to join. By default, the server is private, and only people you explicitly allow can enter. Use the add player field to invite friends by username, or copy the server link and send it to the people you want to let in. When they click the link, they'll be able to join your private instance. If you ever want to change the name, add or remove players, or delete the server, return to the same private servers or manage page and apply the changes. Keep in mind the servers stay active as long as the private server ownership is in place. You're paying for the VIP server slot, not a one-time session. Roblox purchases for VIP servers are non-refundable, so double-check the game and the price before confirming. If you don't see a Create Private Server button, it means the game's developer hasn't enabled VIP servers for Steal A Brainrot. In that case, you can't create one until the developer adds the option. Also remember that some private servers have player limits set by the developer, so check the max players before inviting a big group. And that's it. You've got your private server ready. Launch it, send the invite link to your friends, and enjoy a private game of Steal A Brainrot without random players dropping in. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Roblox tips. And drop a comment if you want me to show how to share and manage invites in detail. See you in the next one.